Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is Miyase, and today I'll show you in this video very attractive and stylish trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Much more ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut, eye-catching ideas of hair dye. You see in this video, I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyles in low maintenance hairstyles, messy hairstyles and spiky hairstyles. Different ideas of haircut: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cuts, some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and a very beautiful collection of choppy haircut, notching haircut. Ideas of hair dye: blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. Beautiful collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and very attractive overall collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous, and you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me. Support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support or help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.